Okay, hello. In this video, I want to explain to you how to create a shell script or write a shell script that runs a script, another script, okay, or another program or whatever you want, if some package gets updated. Okay, in case a package that gets updated, it should be there should be a related script or program that must be run just to reflect upon those changes on that updated software. Okay, so it all depends on the version of the package that's being installed. So the command that queries the versions. Okay, there are many, but the best one as far as I see, okay, and here I'm using Debian system, of course, is this way. You say, for example, let's say we're talking about Firefox. Okay, I want to see whether Firefox has been updated or not. So you use this a command, dpackage query, and then you type -f, okay, and type a single quote. Then inside this single quote you say dollar, and between two braces like this, curly braces, I type the word version, and then it's type the show, and then you type the name of the package that you selected. For example, let's say Firefox. There are many starting with Fire, so Firefox, many also ESR. So ESR. Okay, I selected this one. So there are many, but I just want the ESR one. Okay, don't care about the rest. Okay, so if I use this one, okay, you will see that the version is right here, because this is my prompt starts from with the word Oracle, so this is the version. So to make it more clearer, okay, I add /n here, okay, and you will get it like this. Okay, so but as long as we are using shell, we don't need this /n, okay, because I want only this value. Okay, it doesn't matter with me whether I'm gonna print it or not, I just want the value. So this query here, I'm gonna copy it and paste it like this, and I say, like here, set the package name, and I say here dollar, say here even, okay, equals Firefox as an example. Okay, if you want to know the package names, you can simply search for them using apt cache. Okay, you can even use the synaptic graphically. Okay, then also this line here, okay, will hold the package version before update equals, you put like this, and you type dollar package name, and then type the backtick. Yeah, the backtick is just below the just under the escape key. Just for you who doesn't know how to get this character, okay, I'm going to search for you on the not here, I'll use a different, okay, backtick, So this one, see, images, see, this is the escape. You've got this one, see, the one in this one, see, this is the one under the tilde. Okay. So you type it once here, once at the start, before the start of the command, and once at the last after the command. Okay, and this is this variable will hold the value of the query. Now you update. Let's imagine that I updated, so apt-get updated the whole system, and together apt-get -y dist upgrade. And now the system has been is upgraded. Now we get a new value here, not before, we call it after. Okay. Now this is the old version. You say like here the older version. This is here the newest, the new version. Okay. Here we upgrade the whole system. Okay. Now we say just like this: if $package before, okay, is not equal, you have to make a space because this is shell, so not equal to dollar, let's say I think it needs the quotes, package name after the update. Okay, then okay, you do your script. Okay, then here run my shell script. Okay, you type the path of the script that you want to do. Okay, because if they are different, okay, it means there's a change. Okay, so it means they have to run the update. Okay, and then you type phi, which means ends the if statement. Okay, and that's it. And you save it later, and then save it here. Say save it like this. Now the folder is already pointing here on file status files and chmod +x. Okay, sorry. Okay, to give it and then just type run the script. Okay, whatever. Okay, but this is because I'm using a normal user. You have to run it as root. Okay, just understand that this is how it's done. Okay, and if you are, for example, on Ubuntu or something, you can use simply like this sudo here. Okay, so this command, this is what made the error over here. Okay, just because I'm not a root user, because only root users is the one permitted to install applications. Okay, so I have to run this, of course, as root. Remove these /n's, then not necessary. Okay, and you're already done. That's it. Okay, and put whatever script that you like to have. Okay. The other way, for example, if you want to say, let's say ISU, okay, apt get -s, minus y desktop grade. Okay, you want to simulate it, so this will tell you what will be updated. Okay, this will just only simulate things, will tell you what will be updated. Okay, so this is the whole code. So I thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like my video, and distribute this video amongst your friends.